Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers. Yay! Welcome to Mapenzi TV. It's the Petway Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 0. I'm joined by Joe Banana.
My name is Joe Banana, the coolest kid in Africa, on without off.
Yes.
Yeah, Steve.
Game we won joie.
Umbucha obvious, Prestivo. Umbucha obvious. Prestivo, first of all, I would like to say congratulations to the Nyaube boys. They did a good job. They did one today.
Yes.
Yeah. And again, Prestivo, I'm not disappointed about today's game.
You're happy?
I'm happy. The boys did go all out.
Yeah.
Yeah, our boys did perform well. We did see nice football today between Chiefs and Sundowns. Yeah, even if we were playing in a Zozo yard, but it's okay. Next time they will take us somewhere else better than this Zozo. Because it's a Zozo, this one. That is why you saw a lot of our supporters, they were outside, some they were on the passage. That is why even you don't know where to interview us. You came straight to the toilet because you don't have a space for interview. That's so disappointing, my brother.
Well, it was raining.
But no, you can't tell me about rain, Baba. You don't have a space. This is a Zozo yard. It's 2 by 2 meters. So what did you expect? You can't call a team like Kaizer Chiefs a government to this small yard, my brother. So you are playing good football. You call yourself as the best, but you take us here. What's that mean? Yeah, it's so disappointing on that. Remember, I said congratulations to Sundowns. You played well, but it's no go for me. Kaka Stadium, my brother. No for me. You understand?
It's a no.
Yeah, so again, Prastivo, ke rata o leboa Mapagane.
Why?
Support ever feeling yona today.
Yeah.
That support, they did well. Even if Neresaiva support ya won. No. Na support ya Pirates Neresaiva today. Prastivo, Rena be resatolwa le Sundowns.
Yes.
No, we are not fighting with Sundowns.
Yes.
As we came here to practice, it was a practice match for us to Nedbank Cup.
Yes.
Yeah, that's so important than what we saw here. Yeah. So it was a practice match for us, but Pirates, it was a pressure for them. They wanted us to win the game today.
Yeah.
So they can be so close that they can fight with Sundowns.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Of which I reckon it into Zabona. Yeah, Ntwaela, Kintoya Pirates and Sundowns. Rena Rona, it was a practice match and we are happy for that. That is why we played in a Zozo yard. You understand? But so far so good. I'm happy.
Yeah.
It's just I think Coach Nabi. Yeah. I think for me, he's good. Remember, but there's bad also. Yeah, on coming to substitution. Yeah, that's where I have a problem with him. He must work with it.
Yes.
Yeah, substitution. Yeah, remember, he's the best cooker, but even the best cooker, say Prastivo. Onion Brayaga, I talk so Yamofata, I think substitution. Yeah. But as for from game here today, I think we love that thing. So Retonga Nedbank Cup cause already Kiarona that Nedbank Cup and Artonga Lemo to Kayona. Yeah. And next week's game, my guess, I heard some people saying it's not important for Kaizer Chiefs. That is a lie, Prastivo. That game is more, each and every game coming now for Kaizer Chiefs is very, very important. Because we want to see ourselves in top 8. We want to see ourselves on number 3. So we can go and play CAF. But today's game, we did have no pressure. I don't want to lie to you.
No pressure.
No pressure. It was a practice match to go to Nedbank Cup. And stable. I think everyone wa batla go slima a tshwane le bo Joe Banana o be in a good health o slima a se o wrong o slima it doesn't mean o lwala come and support Kaizer Chiefs o avoid me khabanyane o ka re ke di epic tsa di 1400 thank you